Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another strange Roblox character. This time it's gonna be the bear Alpha. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this strange looking bear, and there's my sketch underneath. So to begin, we're going to draw in just the 2 eyes, so it's just going to be 2 circles, and they're kind of small and far apart. So just draw one and then come across, draw one more. And let me shade that in real quick. I'll just add in a little highlight. And I'll just shade around it nice and easy with a Sharpie. Okay, and then from here we're going to draw in the nose. So just right here on the bottom, you can make a little point in the center, draw another circle. So that's going to be the nose, and then for the mouth, just a small little smile. Okay, so let's draw in the overall head shape. So let's come up to the center. On this side, we'll go up. So it's going to be quite wide, and then on this side, just come out straight a little bit more, because the head is asymmetrical in this bear. And then now on the bottom right here, just come across and round everything out. So it's almost like a little bean shape right here for the head. Alright, and then now for the ear, just on the top of the eye, come out. Just one big curve. So it's got really big ears, and then right here, a little bit higher. So again, it's asymmetrical. Okay, and if you want to add in a little bit more detail, you can add a little curve like this. Okay, so that's the head, and now let's add in the neck right here. The neck is really odd. Just start out with a bracket like this first. and then go opposite, go in, And then from here, we'll draw in 2 little lines right here. That's gonna be where the arm's gonna be going out. And then from here, we'll just finish up the tummy area first. So just one big U shape here on the bottom. Okay, so now let's draw in the arm, and it's got those little bumps as well. So just draw in, just draw a little curve all the way around like this. And we can add in a little bit of crease inside right here. Okay, so now let's draw in the arm, and this one's gonna be going up. So I'm gonna start right here, come down, and then just kind of go up. And it's supposed to be a plush, so it doesn't have to be so exact. So just wrap it around first. And then the bottom, we'll just follow that. So here's the elbow. Now let's go up. I'm gonna curve in this way, and then curve this way. So that's gonna be the palm. Yeah, so very strange shapes. And then inside right here, just add a little egg shape. Okay, so let's draw in the other one, and this one's gonna be going down. So we're gonna curve down, come back here, just follow that curve, and then continue out. Just close everything off, and then for the palm here, we'll add one little curve, so it's gonna be facing down. Okay, so now for the legs, and pretty much the same. I'm just gonna add in a bracket. I won't close it off. So bracket, same thing here. So it's kind of like this, but this time we'll leave it open right here. I'm gonna add just one more little crease, just for some extra detail. And then now let's draw in the legs. So I'm gonna start on the top, curve, just follow that. So here's the angle. Let's start on the bottom first for the foot, curve this way, and then on this side we're gonna go out, curve down, and then for the bottom of the foot we'll just close this off, just round it out. And again, we're gonna have to add one line here, so just draw another curve, same as the one on the bottom. Okay, so let's draw this side, come down. Again, here's the ankle, bottom side. This side will go out, pretty much the same as this one. And then again, just close it off. And that is it for this very strange looking Roblox bear alpha. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.